Good morning. It's Monday, about 10:26 in the morning. We're seeing the market come off a little bit this morning from the highs when it opened up. S&Ps are coming off a little bit. We are seeing the 10-year yield starting to inch higher. We need to watch that. As we get closer and closer to 5%, we could definitely see a little bit more selling in the equity markets. Of course, you have a little bit of the situation that's still going on in Israel. Are they doing a massive ground invasion or not? That could have impact on oil prices. We're seeing oil, though, sell off today a little bit. Wanted to talk about a trade that we're going to start placing right now on Apple. Apple's coming out with earnings on Thursday. We are looking at a couple, one particular trade. If you see it here, the January 170 by 160 put, a $10 debit put spread we can pick up for about $3, and we're going to put it at $3.50 here. To try to get out of the trade, into the trade, excuse me, to get out of the trade, at least see a 10% return on it. We've seen Apple have some, at least some initial buying today, but it was weak on Friday. We do feel it's a good play going into earnings. The implied volatility is quite high for it. So we are going to get into this trade here on Apple. Got to watch out, too, on Wednesday. We do have the Fed having their news conference and talking about interest rates, whether they raise or don't raise. I don't think that's really much of an impact. Really, it's going to be the commentary in the press conference. That is Wednesday. You have several bond auctions that are going to be coming up this week also. That could, again, impact the bond market and the 10-year. If we're going to start trading the bond market, we are going to look, we're hoping to get at least a move on the TLT, which is the ETF to play that. TLT here, you see it's down almost 1% here today. That's what we're looking to do. If we can see a little bit of strength at the TLT, basically it's trying to get interest rates close at 5% on the 10-year. That's it for right now. I'll give any further updates. If we do a TLT trade right now, we're not. We're hoping to get a little bit of a bounce there, but we are going to put the Apple trade on. Okay, happy trading, everybody.